Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to contribute to open source projects. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So contributing to an open source project is a multi-step process that involves finding a project, understanding its community, and submitting a change through a pull request. It is not limited to writing code. You can also contribute by fixing documentation, testing, or helping with design. So, first of all, you need to find a project that interests you. Once you have found a project that interests you, prepare to contribute. Read the documentation, review the code of conduct, and familiarize yourself with Git and GitHub. Make your contribution first. After you have made your first contribution, like fork the repository, clone the fork locally, or create a new branch, you can simply open a pull request. Once you have opened it, engage and follow up with your feedback and requests. So address your feedback, synchronize your fork, and then stay involved with it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.